And we have some breaking news coming in. Navneet Kalra has moved anticipatory bail before the Saket court. Now remember, this is with regards to the oxygen concentrator racket in Delhi's upscale Khan Market area. Delhi police, remember, had intensified manhunt for the businessman Navneet Kalra in connection with the recovery of the oxygen concentrators from his restaurants in Khan Market. Right now, he has moved the court seeking anticipatory bail, fearing his arrest. Remember, since the story had broken out, he is on the run. The police are looking out for him, and raids have been carried out by the Delhi police. The police are intensifying their searches. Meanwhile, he has moved for anticipatory bail, fearing his arrest. This is the latest news break that we are getting for you. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Atul. Atul, big news coming in that Navneet Kalra, the man behind the alleged concentrator racket, is now moving for an anticipatory bail, fearing his arrest. What more can you tell us? Do we know where he is, his whereabouts? And do also take us through the police raids at this point of time.
Well, as of now, Navneet Kalra is on the run. He is main accused in connection with Khan Market case. The Delhi police has lodged an FIR against him, saying that he was allegedly black marketing oxygen concentrator. And now what we are getting to know from the sources is that he has moved an anticipatory bail plea. It will come up for the hearing before Saket court, and crime branch is now busy in preparing a status report. They will file the status report before the concerned court. What we are more gathering from the sources is that Delhi police is going to oppose his bail, because Delhi police is saying that they need his custodial interrogation. First, he will have to join the investigation. He will have to record his testimony. And Delhi police says that they want his custodial interrogation because there are something they need to recover from his possession, such as documents, his cell phone, and other things. Because Delhi police are saying that he was purchasing oxygen concentrator from Hong Kong and China for rupees 14,000 and 16,000 in between. But when he was selling it, he sold it for more than 70,000 rupees. It was a kind of black marketing. There are shortage of oxygen concentrator, there are shortage of oxygen cylinder and medicines. In this time of crisis, if somebody is indulging in such kinds of things, he's charging more than MRP, then no doubt he will be booked under Essential Commodities Act, Disaster Management Act. And when Delhi police came to know that he was doing all such kinds of things, they immediately raided his premises in Delhi, in Khan Market, in Lodi Colony, and as well as in Chhatarpur, and they have seized oxygen concentrator in huge quantity. Now the Delhi police is saying that they have come to know that in his reply, what he has to say before the court, he's saying that he's a businessman and he bought it from China, and nothing was illegal if he was buying and he was selling it to other. But Delhi police is saying that during this kind, if you are making such kind of profit, you are selling all the oxygen concentrator for more than 10-fold price. That is a crime, and that is why we will arrest you. Over to you.
Absolutely, making a business during COVID-19, absolutely, and this must be dealt with really severely, and also it comes to light that the Delhi police, as you rightly pointed out, has conducted raids on his farmhouses and several other locations, but are unable to trace him at this point of time. Also, we're getting to know that Navneet Kalra was last spotted at Chhatarpur farmhouse, and he had left that farmhouse along with his family. Any clue what we're getting right now?
When Delhi police was conducting raids in Lodi Colony area, he immediately switched off his cell phone. Delhi police is saying that last time when they came to know where he was spotted in Chhatarpur area. A team was sent, but he was not found there. Later on, Delhi police came to know that he had fled to Uttarakhand and in Haridwar. He set out to this location along with his family in two luxurious cars. One was Thar and second was Range Rover. What we are getting to know is that two teams were sent to Haridwar and in Uttarakhand. They conducted raids, but nothing was found there. He was found absconding. Later on, a team was sent to Ghaziabad and in nearby areas. And when the Delhi police was saying that he might be hiding in his relative's home and in the house of his friends, but he wasn't found anywhere. Delhi police has contacted his relatives, his friends, his business associates. Delhi police had given them a clear-cut message that Navneet Kalra should come forward to join the investigation because an FIR has been lodged against him, and 5 of his associates, including CEO of Matrix International, has been arrested arrested. And when Navneet Kalra has known all these kinds of things, that Delhi police is conducting raids at his premises and seizing the oxygen concentrator and have arrested 5 persons, why he is hiding? Why he is not coming forward? That is the reason. If he's saying that there was nothing wrong in buying and selling oxygen concentrator just to make some profit, why he was selling them for 10 full-time prices? That is why Delhi police is saying that he is hiding. There is a reason he is hiding. If he is on the run, he is not willing to join the investigation.
Right.
There might have been something behind this. And Delhi police is saying that they have got the invoices from the premises.
Right, Atul, do track that story very closely. For us, we have to stop people making a quick buck of COVID miseries. Thank you so much for joining us.